If we apply the equation of density, which is just mass over volume, into our equation for gravity, we can say the mass of the planet is equal to the density of the planet times the volume of the sphere, which is 4 pi r cubed. If I plug this in, I can actually see that the gravitational field is proportional to the product of the density of the planet and its radius. This means more dense planets have greater gravitational fields. More dense stars have greater gravitational fields. But there is a natural limit with this. If I have a density that is too large, which we actually see with our more massive stars that collapse in on themselves, we actually rip a hole in the fabric of our universe, which is known as our black hole. We have what's called the event horizon, which is the border between the black hole and the rest of the universe. We have bright disks that surround the black hole, and that is actually from all of the material caught in gravity's pull that's orbiting the black hole, and they rub against each other with such intensity that it creates light and radiation. However, once inside the black hole, once past the event horizon, nothing can escape, not even light. What leads to the black hole? Where does it go? No one knows. We cannot apply anything we know about the universe to the interior of a black hole because it's not in our universe. It's the equivalent of you taking everything you know about the laws and culture of your country and then going to a completely foreign country where everything could be different. You can't apply what you think is right or wrong or what the laws should be to that country because it's not the same country. That's what we have in this situation here. Although it does make for a lot of fun thinking and some pretty interesting sci-fi movies. It is theorized that perhaps black holes, since they are a hole in one side of our universe, might actually exit somewhere else on another side of the universe, offering shortcuts. So you could travel from one end of space to another instead of going the long way around through a shortcut. It's theoretically possible, but again, we don't know what would happen when you're inside the black hole because all the laws of the universe do not need apply inside that black hole. We call these types of connecting points to be called wormholes, kind of like the wormhole in an apple, where instead of traveling around the entire apple, you can actually just go through a hole that a worm has made from one side to the other. I know there is a lot of information here. Gravity is one of the harder subjects for people to understand. Again, none of these videos have ever been designed to get us out of teaching, just to give you preparation for the material that we're going to be working with in class.